Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. Well, since we can't ride the Harley today, decided to take the DJI Mavic 2 up for a quick flight before the snowstorm really starts to kick into gear. We're expecting over 2 feet of snow across the state of New Jersey. As a matter of fact, we declared a state of emergency as of 7 p.m. Eastern tonight. This is a quick flight. My family and I went out for a quick hike, enjoying the storm. Wanted to test the DJI Mavic 2 during a snowstorm. It's my first flight in the snowstorm, and I've got to say it did really well. It was a short flight, not very windy, at least not at the point that I took it up in the air. Wind was about 18 miles an hour. Hope you enjoy it. Please, if you haven't done it yet, please consider subscribing. Also, if you can, hit that like button, really helps out the channel. And also hit that bell icon so anytime I upload future videos, you can get notified. Stay tuned. I'll be posting other videos. I've got the plow and the ATV ready to go, and as soon as we get more accumulation, I'll be doing a plowing video and may take out the drone again to check it out. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.